Open Beta via the Xbox app, Microsoft Store on PC 2025. How to install Black Ops 7 Open Beta on Xbox app at Microsoft Store, PC. Step 1. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you'll use in-game. If you use Game Pass, ensure your subscription is active. Step 2. Search for the game. In the search bar, type Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta or search Black Ops 7. The beta listing should appear if it's live in your region. Step 3. Check region availability. The beta might release regionally or in waves. If you don't see it, restart the Xbox app. Change your region temporarily to United States under Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, Country or Region. Reopen the Xbox app and search again. Step 4. Click Get or Install. Once the Open Beta page loads, click Get//Install, Play. Choose your preferred drive if asked. Wait for the download to complete. File size can be large, 90 to 120 gigabytes. Step 5. Launch the game. After installation, click Play directly from the Xbox app. The launcher will open. You may need to sign in with your Activision account. The beta will verify your files and connect to online services. Step 6. Optional fixes if it doesn't appear or won't install. If you don't see or can't install it, 1. Update Xbox app, Microsoft Store library, get updates. 2. Update gaming services. Open PowerShell as admin, run. You can see the code in our conversation history, then reinstall gaming services. 3. Repair reset Xbox app, settings, apps, Xbox app, advanced options, repair/reset. 4. Check Windows updates, install all pending updates. 5. Restart your PC, relaunch Xbox app, and search again. You're ready to play. Once installed, you can play the beta during the open period. Keep an eye on official Activision or Xbox news for access dates and updates.